part 2. How to get 1 billion damage in sandbox no mods. First, place a 2-4 super monkey and the 2-5 super monkey and connect them to attack bot. And look, if I press this, look, and if I spam and it's gonna kill the 999 BADs instantly. Look, it's gonna kill it instantly. See, it killed it instantly. And this is before 37 billion. 37 billion. 37 billion, now 38 billion. This is how you get to 4 billion pops. Anyways, that's all it. If you enjoy my content, please like and subscribe to Ragin. Bye guys.